Should I buy or sell Taiwan Semiconductor? The report for Taiwan Semiconductor was first published on our website Wednesday, November 23, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since November 17, 2022, our system ranks Taiwan Semiconductor as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of -0.013. In this period the stock has had natural movements with a gain of 1.16%. This is an average return of 0.23% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Taiwan Semiconductor, our last headline reads, Taiwan Semiconductor stock price ended on $82.22 on Wednesday after losing 0.285%. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock price fell by -0.285% on the last day, Wednesday, November 23, 2022, from $82.46 to $82.22. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 1.49% from a day low at $81.73 to a day high of $82.95. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 26.46% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 11 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 11 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $909.97 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $145, and the lowest price was $59.43. Right now the price is 43.3%, or $62.78, below 52-week high at $145, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock has broken the very wide and falling short-term trend up. Firstly, a slower falling rate is indicated, but this may very well be an early signal of a trend shift. On the reaction, there will be support on the roof of the current trend broken, which is $81.85, a level that may pose a second chance to hit a runner. According to fan theory, $106.39 will be the next possible trend top level and thereby pose a resistance level that may not be broken at the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -14.24% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -40.23% and -14.63%. The 12-month trend indicates a -43.47% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -60.96% and -43.80%. This equals a price between $32.10 and $46.21 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Thursday, July 14, 2022, Susquehanna set price target to 88. On Thursday, January 13, 2022, Atlantic Equities set price target to 170. On Monday, October 11, 2021, Cowen and Company set price target to 120. On Tuesday, July 13, 2021, Needham set price target to 0. On Wednesday, June 30, 2021, Susquehanna set price target to 105. From analysts, Taiwan Semiconductor stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Taiwan Semiconductor. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $81.33 and $68.05. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, November 18, 2022, and so far it has fallen -0.322%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 15 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 9 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart we see short moving average, buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 190 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Taiwan Semiconductor. Taiwan Semiconductor finds support from accumulated volume at $81.03, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $1.21 between high and low, or 1.49%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 3.04%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Taiwan Semiconductor currently has a price-earning ratio of 15.06. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Taiwan Semiconductor meets first resistance at $82.85. If you do not hold Taiwan Semiconductor shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Taiwan Semiconductor finds first level of support at $81.03, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Taiwan Semiconductor is strong buy. Our recommended stop loss is $80.24, minus 2.41%. This stock has very high daily movements and this gives very high risk. The RSI 14 is 85 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 3 days ago. Is Taiwan Semiconductor stock a buy? Taiwan Semiconductor holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Friday 25th, we expect Taiwan Semiconductor to open up $0.0783 and start trading at $82.30. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to